Alright guys, so we're about to start drinking right now. So I will see you in a few seconds to do my my drunk makeup tutorial. I can't see shit. I'm gonna do my eyebrows right now. I'm gonna use
we're about to do our makeup. We're about to do our makeup.
I can't see. Ow. 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 Like that ass can't see my eyebrow. Wow. Yo, I love Chris Brown.
You guys are gonna get me home?
Yes, baby, I promise.
I'm ready to go home now.
No, baby, don't go.
Yeah, but like, get them a movie. Get them the Dalmatians movie and put them in my bag. Why do I have to go home, babe? Worry about the money.
Bro, looking fire, bitch.
Hello, Antori.
I love Antori. Fire, bitch. Fire, fire, bitch. I dead ass cannot see, to be honest, guys. Hey. They look amazing, hon. Thank you, Emily. Oh, I need this brush, actually. Where's the next one? I'm trying to get it. I love Chris Brown. That's my baby daddy. Ooh, what it? Ooh, I'm using Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I am magic. Wait, that's not his. Whatever. Bitch, I look fire. Yo, I'm that ass strong as fuck. Where's my sponge? Yo, Chris Brown loves me. Did you guys know that? I need my sponge. I cannot see, bro. I'm trying so hard. Yo, can you imagine if I married Chris Brown? He would love this. Oh, let's bring them.
She's a
fire, sis. Look at me.
Look at
Okay.
Follow her on Instagram, LexTassieXO. LexTassieXO, LexTaccYXO. Okay.
Okay.
You heard? No.
I dead ass cannot see.
Okay. These people are dependent.
Where's the next song, sis?
Let's go, Jay. These people are dependent.
Boom. Set the eyebrows. Set them. Set them.
Get the thing. Get the glass. No, we're not gonna put it.
Jade,
Yes,
what song is
baby.
next?
Get the glass.
Tell me what song is next.
Pick
Tell
up
me.
the juice.
I need to know. I need to know.
Wait, Lucka, if you know me, you'll do this with me.
Okay, what's next?
I don't know if you're gonna know it, but hopefully you do.
I will give you the world.
No, baby. This is very old.
He's talking to Nori.
If you know me, you're gonna sing it with me.
I dead ass can't see
Let's
it, sis. I can't hear it.
I'm Dukel. You gonna do our show? Can you got this?
1, 2, 3.
Yo, why is this recorded?
I'm ready, sis. TT, I'm ready.
It's been recorded for 4 minutes to seal it.
It's been 4 minutes, sis. Know the vibe.
All right, let's get it.
Let's get it. Let's get it. Okay, deadass. Facts. This is my foundation brush. I need my foundation, sis. I bought a new foundation today, but we gonna skip that, sis. Facts. Oh, Oh shit, sis. I'm about to oh shit, sis. Oh fuck. It's all good. It's all good.
Don't break your good shit.
It's good shit. It lasts. It'll last.
It's durable.
It's durable. Facts. Facts, Antor. You know the vibe, Antor. Antor knows the vibe. You know. Facts. Can you see me? Because I can't see me. Facts. You know it. Uncle Val had the best idea. Facts.
Let him know.
Facts. Follow him. Shit, sis. You know the vibe.
Let me help you out with that one more time.
Okay.
Back out. You back.
I'm just putting powder on my face, sis.
Put it on there.
You know the vibes.
Put it on there. That
All right, I got it. I got it, Uncle Val. I got it. I'm showing them how I do it. This shit burns, sis, but it's all good.
Yeah, we good.
Sis.
What, sis?
What'd you drive?
I love you, T. I love you, T.
I love you, T.
T is my best.
Lexi, you my bestie.
I need some music.
You know if you forgot something.
I can't even look at you, sis. I'm trying.
Hold on, you gotta lean on shit.
Okay, I got it.
Face down. It's face down.
Okay. Oh, my titty hurts.
Okay, now you have to do a tutorial.
Okay, help me T. Deadass facts. Help me T.
I don't even know. We're gonna do my.
Where's my dad? These niggas do.
Come in.
You will fuck Cougar. We like twin sisters. You're acting like a bitch, and why you still with me? Break it up. Bag it up. Fuck it up. Break it up. Tell me what's good. This is so drunk. I can't even see who's talking to me, but I'm gonna talk to her. Oh yeah. Jada, I love you so much. Deadass.
Bitch.
Facts, sis.
You better keep that same energy when you wake up, cause I'm be waiting
You
for a motherfucking.
bestie.
I'm gonna be waiting for a motherfucking text. Okay, I wake up like,
sis.
yeah.
Facts, sis.
I'm
That's
like,
my best.
Lexi, you say you miss me.
Lexi and the bestie.
Oh,
Okay, facts. What's the next song? Tell me.
Two videos literally face down for 3 minutes.
I gotta work on it. Hey.
Lexi, when you're awake tomorrow, promise me you won't post it. You can't post this, bro. You can't post this because, like, man, you're not even doing makeup. Like, it's not even correlation to your page. And half this video, the phone was face down, so it wasn't really looking at something like I was looking at something. You know what I mean? And Jay's blasting music, like my mom didn't say.